How to turn on or turn off background app refresh on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings screen, swipe up to go down and tap on General. Next, tap on Background App Refresh, and in here, tap on the background app refreshed. And if you want to turn it off, you would tap on off. Or if you want to turn it on, you can select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you choose Wi-Fi and cellular data, then an app can refresh its content on the background, so it will use up your Wi-Fi if it is connected to a Wi-Fi router. If you are not connected to a Wi-Fi router, then it will use your cellular data. So if you do not want the phone to use cellular data, you can simply select Wi-Fi only, so that your mobile data plan will not run out quickly because the app is running on the background. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.